Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying my lifestyle vlogs that I'll be doing. There goes my family, my sister, my stepson, my daughter, and my son. It was my son's birthday and we went to an hibachi, whatever you call it, Sakura Gardens in Manchester to have dinner for his birthday. He's a cool kid. He's like really low-key and doesn't even care if you do anything for him. That's Sonia, Alex, Tashai, and Dean. I am the videographer, so I'll be the one videoing. And there was the chef that will be preparing our meal. Sit back and enjoy this video. Now, when you go to these places, the meat is not normally seasoned. I can tell you that. It's right in front of you that they season it. However, the sauce, look at Dean getting sake. The sauce is what adds flavor to the meat. So just watch the video. You will see how they prep the meal and the season in front of us. There goes the birthday boy. Big up yourself, Aaron, having sake. So he added a little oil and he'll be adding the whole vegetable, the whole works on. So I hope that you guys will enjoy this video. My sister was here from London and it was my son's birthday, so we went out to eat. My husband is not there, he was at work. So we did fried rice and they did the regular vegetables. Some ordered lobster, beef, shrimp. I ordered salmon. And I had to ask for pepper because it wasn't as spicy as I wanted it. But we had a great evening out. And I did this vlog to show you what they do, how they do it. As I mentioned before, the food is seasoned in front of you. So when you go there, you place your order, they bring it out, and you can watch, enjoy the video to see how they prep this, just with a little salt and black pepper. And it's always fun for me to go out, watch other people cook, taste their meal. And I know my sister didn't enjoy it, but it's not our first time that we're eating at this place, so we know what it tastes like. And to get the flavor and the taste for this food, you're gonna need to be using up them sauce. So he added some oil and some of the sake, which is more like a wine, in the onions. And there goes flame. He was having so much fun with it. And then he added those onions to the veggies. Now watch this. There goes Dean's steak. There goes chicken breast for who ordered chicken, the little lobster tail, and 2 little tiny pieces of salmon. See, also put back a piece of the beef, and then he's about to crack these eggs to add to the rice to get fried rice. Man of skill, right? Please remember guys, lots of lifestyle videos, my Greece trip, Greece food I ate, places I went to while in Greece. Then we went to the city to see the Statue of Liberty. We went to Ground Zero and then a little bit of Manhattan. Please make sure that you're watching those videos, liking, sharing, and dropping a comment. From time to time, I'll drop lifestyle videos, but my channel still remains a cooking channel. But I'm trying to incorporate other things to my channel to see if it will help me to grow, help me to get bigger on YouTube. I have over 450 odd cooking videos out on my channel, and I've been doing lifestyle videos for a while now, where I added my first video was when I remodeled, or I had our kitchen remodeled.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Made some changes to my living room. I'll be changing the sofa in my living room, so stay tuned for all them lifestyle videos. And then someone else ordered shrimp. See, they're just adding a little black pepper, a little salt. Yes, it's just white meat. No garlic powder, no onion powder, no seasoning salt and all these things. So here is dishing us a little of his fried rice. There goes mine. I'm the videographer right there. And I'll also drop a picture in this video to show you what we all look like. We did take some pictures there. And my stepson wanted is steak well done.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
And that meal he's showing is for the 4 of us. 5 of us, sorry, I forgot my sister was there. 5 of us. I enjoyed mine anyway because it's not my first. I've had it before and I love the sauce that they give. The sauce is what add flavor. And we all know, like, Caribbean people cook with a lot of seasoning. Even though you have lots of Jamaicans who don't use lots of herbs and spices. They do bland food. But I love to use my spices and herbs. There he added to the salmon a little soy sauce, and I don't know what the other sauce was, if it was hoisin sauce he added, but I enjoyed it with, especially with an orange color sauce. That one right there tastes really, really delicious. That's the little butter that he's adding to the meat, and also to the veggies.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
That was the birthday boy who ordered a little steak and lobster. And that's the lobster. He took the shell off, and yeah, I think it's hoisin sauce because it tasted a little like that. That's Dean serving, Tashai serving, Sonia serving. Because I got my salmon already. And all this meal was roughly $180. 180 US dollars. And I love their veggies. It's like crunchy. They don't overcook the veggies. Nothing is like overcooked. The carrots were crunchy, everything. Voila, he is done. Thank you for watching. See you soon in another video.